Polly G's is a well-respected Neapolitan pizzeria in Greenpoint known for its innovatively topped pies. And one example of that is its Hellboy pizza, which incorporates hot honey. Now, honey might not be the first ingredient you think of topping pizza. Mike's Hot Honey is a 4-year-old Brazilian chili-infused honey condiment launched by Mike Kurtz. And on the Hellboy, it creates a totally addictive combo of salty, sweet, and spicy.
So this right here is the Hellboy, and you can see here the gorgeous leopard spotting on the pizza. Ooh, listen to that crisp. Chewy, you can feel it in the dough already. This is amazing, absolutely delicious. What you get in the bite here is the chewiness in the dough, and you have a nice yeasty flavor in the dough as well. A little bit of acid from the tomatoes. You have the sort of warm, meaty quality in the soppressata, and then the sweetness from the honey, and also the heat in the honey. So together, you get this really beautiful, savory, sweet bite, and the honey itself is really floral both from the honey and then also the chilies in the honey. You know, I think there's also something to be said about really simply topped pizzas. So 5 ingredients total, and it's about just having high quality base ingredients and then, letting them speak for themselves and letting each ingredient shine and not doing too much to it, and that's exactly what's going on here. I think that hot honey could be the new hot sauce. I mean, everyone loves hot sauce. It's a great condiment. Key to a great condiment, versatility, being able to use it in different ways, and that's exactly what you have with this product right here. And the pizza is incredible. So if you haven't been to Polly G's, I mean, this is definitely a not to miss pizza creation.